What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Michael. Welcome to MC Niger FX. So, yes, welcome to another episode of turning $20 to $100,000. Yes, after learning how to day trade for 17 months, first 1 year, trying different bunch of things, support and resistance, supply and demand, this and different thing. Then 2023, 2024, that was 2023. 2024, I started with ICT. I learned it for 2 months, back tested it for like two months plus again. And now, yeah, we are on June, and we've given ourselves a challenge to try and turn $20 to $100,000. The goal is not to flip the account, is to get a prop firm, which I've gotten. I got a Marvin prop firm for 5K account, and the goal is to pass it, and when we withdraw, we deposit our money in our life account, and we can be trading life account 1% or 2% risks, understand? But the goal is to scale the prop firm as I pass and grow it eventually. So stick with me as I share my experience in passing my prop firm. So let's go to the day one of the video. So today is the ending of Tuesday, and today started a bit sketchy, but at the end of the day, we surpassed. But I have a question for you guys. If you have a strategy that you're trading now, can you trade the strategy and you'll take 5 losses, and on you still see the strat setup? Can you still take another setup with that same strategy? That's the question I have for you guys, because for me, I'm willingly. Woke up this morning after I did that video. I saw my entry on London session. I took my setup. I had a loss. Coupled with yesterday's loss. So here's what happened on Monday. I was not able to record because I was so busy at work. But here's it. I had a loss in the morning at first. But as you can see, I ended up having 2 winning trades on EU and GU with my ATM setup, which brought me back to break even. Yeah. The main thing is, how many losses can you take even though you fail with your strategy and you still get back trading that strategy? Do you have to be some level of conviction with your strategy? So yes, we had a loss in the morning, but we went back break even with 2 winning trades. Then I was just like, let's wait till New York. Understand? Now coming into New York session, although I know that this ATM setup most time works during New York session, London session, sometimes it works in London session, but it varies, you understand? Except I see the ATM setup properly, which is, look at it, the ATM setup is there. Then it still took an L, but I was like calm. Yesterday I learned from yesterday's mistake. I was more calm. I was like, mistake happened. No, this one was not a mistake. The yesterday one was a mistake by oversizing. Today was like, it's just a L. L is inevitable. L will always come in the market. Calm. I accepted my risks, and I'm like, okay, let's go for New York session. And New York session came, and behold, I used turtle soup. Turtle soup is like another type of entry I use from ATM. Like ICT said, turtle soup comes before ATM. Turtle soup starts showing you like the direction before market structure shifts. Understand? So in time and price, you don't just use turtle soup like that. You have to use it in time and price. Understand? Everything must be aligning together. So we took that trade, and I reached pretty well. And we are up 300 and something dollars. We are just like $80 to pass phase 1, which is $400 target. So this is on the screenshot here. So this is Tuesday. I think what happened to what happened to us in Funded Next is about to happen to us here, which is we're gonna pass phase 1 and phase 2 in 1 week. Who believes that? Tomorrow is not a trading day. Tomorrow is bank holiday, which is Wednesday. So I'll stay out of the market till Thursday and Friday. Yeah. So let's see by Thursday and Friday if what I said comes true. Like with I'm crazy. Let's see. We are not pressing, we are not rushing. It is 8% and 4%. That is 12%, and we did 10% before in 1 week. So we can actually do it. Come on, we can do it. So that's on that. Just trust the process. Trust the fucking process. As I said, if you don't have a strategy that can give you that you can take 5 losses and you still have confidence in taking that setup again, that is not a strategy. your strategy, even though you take 5 losses, you can, if you see it again, you should be willing to take the setup because you trust it. So yesterday was just reconfirming that I built this trust. It built a trust for me yesterday, because yesterday there was this news release. Yesterday's news release was so bullish USD, but I've seen it before. It's not as if it's today that is happening. That my setup does not follow strategy. Like I said, it doesn't follow. If it doesn't follow the news, if that showed you, even though the news is showing as if it's gonna go against it, it's gonna actually move to your own direction. So that's that on that. If it doesn't move, your fucking stop loss is there. Take as far as you risk to what you can afford to lose. You're cool, you're fine with it. So that on that. Till Thursday, till Thursday. Any days that is not red news, I'm not trading. That's part of my rule. So catch you guys up later. Not to miss any of the episode, do well to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell in case anytime I drop an update, you can see it. If you want to follow my free setup for free, check the description of the video. You see my Twitter handle. You can follow me as my Twitter handle. And yeah, if you want mentorship, anything, my link to the description below is there, so you can reach out to me from there. What's good, YouTube? So this is day 4 of turning $20 into $100,000 accounts. So I think some people were asking me how am I doing. So let me break it down for you. I think I did say it in my first video. So I used $20. I used PropFem. I will drop to the description of PropFem, Marvin, and PropFem. 5K, they are the cheapest in the industry, and I've actually validated them, and they pay out and they are very good. So I bought their 5K profit for $20, and we finally passed phase 2. I told you yesterday I'm gonna pass on to the pass phase 1 today. This is the screenshot of the trade. I bought the GDP CPI for today. Yeah, so we have passed phase 1. We are gotten our phase 2 account, as you can see. So we have Thursday and Friday. Let's hopefully we pass it in 1 week. So everything is just, I use turtle soup today to trade today. One thing I always say, when market sells, you buy. When market buy, you sell. It's a simple psychology that a lot of people don't understand. So people asking me how I just use the 2022 model and turtle soup entry. That 2022 model is what I call the ATM setup. So same thing every day. Man, the videos are free on my YouTube channel. There's one video I uploaded. I said ICT made me profitable. That video really explained the strategy, and a lot of people will appreciate me for it. So you can check it out. So just every day doing the same thing over and over again. We are not adding anything extra. And I've learned from my lesson of that 100K PropFem. Each time I get bored, I just leave the charts. I don't try to force things. You understand? Because now that you have a trading system, you are not anxious. You just need to be patient. You just need to be waiting for your A+ setup, and that is that. And that's how I'm using to, I think, to win the market. Definitely, I've done 10% in 1 week before. So what we just did now is 8%. So the past phase 2 is actually 5%. Is it 5%? Yes, 5%. $250. So let's see, Thursday, Friday, in 1 trade or in 2 trades, anyhow. So that's that on today. We'll see you guys on Thursday, Friday. Peace out. This is Thursday, 20th of June, 2024, and your boy has blown his account again. I'm not joking. Look at it. The same way, it's around Thursday too, was when I blew the first account too. Man, it's not my strategy. It's me versus me. I took a trade. You can see even the trade. Look at this short video playing at the side. I took the $50 risk. But usually, when I'm having a winning trade, I usually stack. And before the news release or trades, I usually stack only when like there's important like news that is gonna spark, like move in one high direction. But Today was different. Today was seek and destroy. It triggered it and went against me. This is the second prop firm I'm passing. Phase 1 and I'm blowing it again. And this is the third prop firm that I've actually like done significant move, 10-15%, 10% upwards. I still ended up blowing it. What's the okara of today? The stack that I stack, it was high, because usually if it's just gonna wipe it up and go to one direction, just like the way CPI used to move, it will just move. If you recall how many times I've said it, like CPI now, yes, it's only for CPI that I do that. But today I used it for the GDP interest rate and it actually spiked. Even though there's a trade that the initial trade is it here, like it might still go up, but the main thing is I was spike, like my stacking was spike. The first funded account I lost, that 100k challenge, was it's told me to focus on my model only, trade my plan. Today's account being gone now, looking at all the possible lessons I want to learn, and not even this problem personally, my account. I had a $20 account. I grew it from $5 to $20 and still blew it, everything today, stacking. Risk management is important. Although I did the proper risk management, I risked $2 for my personal account. I risked $50, but that spike, today just made me to be aware of the power of risk management. That your strategy is so good, one error, your risk management, your model, discipline, everything has to be working simultaneously. If one lacks, everything drops. Trading. So this is how we end our $20 going to $100,000. It's a lie. After I took the loss, there's this level of pain that when you have that pain, you cannot shout, you cannot scream, you cannot cry. You're just smiling. I used to think Joker was crazy. But now I know there's some levels of life when you experience some pain, you just smile. To cut the long story short, strategy is not my problem. As you can see, strategy is not my problem. Go to my Twitter, you see I call trades. That's how I document my life setup there. Strategy is not my problem. My problem is fighting me, being disciplined. When I say being disciplined, looking for a setup A, B, C, T to Z every day, your risk management on check. So what I discovered about today was like, I'll only stack when I want to trade CPI. But for any red folder news, because my trading days are red folder news, and that is ICT for you. That's what ICT teaches. Trading, you trade red folder news. Not say we don't trade normal other days, but the volatility is not much. Anybody can say whatever they want to say I'm gambling or what. That's your cup of tea. I trade the turtle soup and ICT. Like, it was a set limit that I entered for today's trade. It's not as if I jumped into the trade, because the liquidity I was targeting, which was the London low, was not taken before the news. So I was still skeptical about the trade. So that's why I set limits in 1 hour order block that was having a 5-minute fair value gap to buy the market upwards, and you can see it there. So the interest rate came out still the same, but probably on Friday, tomorrow there's reading and news on Friday, it will buy. If like at the ending of the day, if the trade goes to TP, I will show you the screenshot. Or if it goes to stop loss, I'll show you the screenshot. So when I got stopped, I wrote my lessons. Like you can see, I wrote my lessons down. And I re-strategized my strategy, because 2 things have happened now in this month. One, my model have shown me that he has shown me his possibility, he has shown me everything. One thing my model works with, if there's no liquidity sweep and I try to enter, I'm gone. So that liquidity sweep must be very important. After liquidity sweep, then I use the ATM, which is giving market structure shifts, return into the fair value gap, boom. Or if after liquidity sweep into a point of interest, order block or what, fair value gap, and I use turtle soup to execute the trade. So that's my strategy. It's painful, but I need to end the video. But we are not stopping. After I got stopped out, I deposited roughly $10, $9, 9 point something dollars. That's what I had. Like, that's my last card. I just deposited it down because the truth is, I have to move on. I can't be bitching around that I lost. No, that's not me. I'll grow it. So this is the week 1 of the experience. I passed phase 1. Lost the account in phase 2. I'm going back again, growing $10 accounts. If I'm going to grow it to $50, then withdraw $30, buy profit of $20. This 5K account is actually $20. Then use $10 to compensate myself, leave my $20 back in my account, and grow both of them and see which of them will get to 100K first. But the truth is, I can't give up. Giving up is not an option for me. I've come too far to quit. Like, I think God is showing me some lessons that I have to pay for. Because if I don't pay for it, I'll pay for it in a bigger account. So I need to get it from this small account. That's where I feel, because don't worry, you will see it. That's that on that on this video. I need to cut this video short. It's already getting long. Guys, do well to like and subscribe for your boy. Peace out. And yes, when I had it, I wanted to run away from everybody, but I remembered you guys, my subscribers, and I was like, and way ups too. Way ups trading support and resistance is crazy. And I watched on this video, one of his latest video, when he was having different stop, for the whole week, was just stopped out. And it was in drawdown. And you know what he said? It doesn't move me. That's the same thing. I didn't feel anything. It doesn't move me. Yes, I'm hot. The hot, I'm not hot. You don't understand? I'm oh, yet again. That's the way it felt like. It was not oh, my own has... No. It was okay. Way ups. It's crazy. I love his discipline. But I need to really adopt that risk management into my life. If not, I will be buying challenges, unlike him that he knows how to sit in drawdown and come back up. I know how to come back up, but I blow the account because I have too much money that I'm using to buy the accounts. Although I work 9 to 5 and it's crazy. That's why I need to have a job so that I can fund yourself. Anyway, it's already 10 minutes. This is the longest of the longest. All right, I'll catch you guys upper week. Peace out. Yes, my subscribers, I love you. It's because of you guys I'm coming back to this YouTube channel, because I need to show you that this is, as a way of saying, this is real trading. When you see the wins, when you see the loss, this is real trading. And you see me come back, it's the real trading. So that's that on that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.